To install the EnvisaLink 4 into your security panel, place the plugs provided in the side of your security panel as shown. Next, you loosen the connection screws of the EnvisaLink 4 module labeled red, black, yellow, and green. Then insert the corresponding colored wires into these ports and tighten the screws to secure the wires. Once the wires are secure, you can fasten the EnvisaLink 4 module inside of your security panel as shown. Now take the red, black, yellow, and green wires coming from the EnvisaLink 4 module and connect them to the key bus terminals on your security system labeled red, black, yellow, and green, then tighten the connections. Now that your EnvisaLink 4 module is connected, just take your RJ45 network cable and plug it in from your network connection to the EnvisaLink 4 module. Restore the power to your security system, and this is what your EnvisaLink 4 should look like when operating.